He's heavy.
He is heavy, isn't he? Is he all wrapped up in blankets? Yeah.
Thank you.
You want me to take him?
Yeah.
Okay.
He gets pretty heavy, huh?
He is heavy.
It's a baby brother. It's a baby brother.
Is it your baby brother?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a baby brother.
What's his name? Do you remember?
Brandon.
It is Brandon. Those little cheeks. Look at his little cheeks.
Yeah.
Look at his little cheeks, Haley.
Yeah.
You can't see his hands. They're all pulled in.
They were out.
Yeah.
The pediatrician.
Come on.
You want to hold him again?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, sit back. Sit back in the chair. Okay.
Let me see you.
There you go.
Let me see you. He's heavy.
He is heavy. You want me to take him again?
Yeah.
Okay. Does he have a lot of hair?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Maybe in a minute.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll wait a few minutes.
Yeah.